Hello, and welcome to Golden Years Empowerment. This is the new show where we help you stay strong, sharp, and thrive to 95 plus. So I'm your host, Gail Nichols. I'm a registered nurse. Now, I graduated 100 years ago, but I am a registered nurse, not practicing actively right now. But I am also a certified healthy longevity coach and speaker. I am 77, although I feel 27, and I'm someone who believes that aging is not the end of the road. I mean, we all start when we're born, we're aging, right? But we have the ability to stay alive and thrive to 120 if we choose to, and if we take the steps to do that. So I see this podcast as a brand new beginning. Every week, I'm going to be bringing you observations that I have on what's going on currently, and also I'm going to be bringing on guests that are local and national, maybe even international. These are people that are community leaders, maybe they're health experts, everyday heroes who are redefining what it means to live your best after age 50 or 60. So from fitness and brain health to financial security, just joyful living, what we're going to do is explore together how to build strength and clarity and purpose for the decades ahead. Now you may be wondering, why did I create this podcast? Well, after many years of helping others through my nursing background, but also building an international telecommunications company with my late husband, Richard Cherry, I felt that there needed to be a way for us to get real connectivity, real down-to-earth conversations, how to learn how to live happily, joyfully, and not get decrepit in our later years. I'm sure you've seen too many people that are kind of like this until they're 65 and then it's all downhill from there. Well, that doesn't need to be the way, and I know how to do it because I'm living that life myself, and I want to help others live that life as well. But it really wasn't until I became widowed, when my husband suddenly passed away from a heart attack, after 36 wonderful years of building business together and just having a wonderful life together, very active physically, mentally, spiritually, that I understood what it means to start over. I'm sure you know people that have been in that position too. So I've chosen the butterfly as my symbol because I think the butterfly captures what healthy longevity is all about: renewal, transformation, resilience, and grace through change. So whether it's the pendant that I wear or that agate butterfly that you see there, it is a daily cue to me to keep evolving beautifully. So you'll see that on my logo, the butterfly. I'm so excited to shine a light on the incredible people right here in our community and across the country and around the world who are making healthy longevity and resilience possible, whether it's doctors or non health professionals, just maybe hobbyists, healers, innovators, business leaders. So whether you're 50 or 75 or 95 plus, or maybe you're just getting started on your healthy longevity journey, a healthier you journey, this podcast is for you. It's your weekly boost of energy, wisdom, and empowerment. So if you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and try to help another friend who deserves to thrive too. So I really appreciate you signing in, looking forward to your comments below about other subjects you'd like me to touch on. And in that below description, there's a link that you can click on so you can grab your free guide. It's called 7 Daily Habits to Stay Strong, Sharp, and Thrive to 95. It's packed with simple, powerful routines that you can take on right now, the things that I am doing, and I can prove that they work. So you can start feeling healthier and younger every day, live your best at any age. So just click that link in the description below. So I'm thrilled to help you lead your better life. Glad you joined us on this journey. So here's to your health, your happiness, and your empowered golden years.